Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Toyota, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2012 Toyota Camry hybrid. So right now the problem is with the check engine light. So the problem is the customer say that sometime the check engine light would turn on and turn off. Like it would turn off for like a day or like 2 days, and it'll come back, and then it'll stay on for about like 2-3 days, and then it'll, you know, turn off. So it's on and off. It's kind of like code comes and goes, comes and goes. So for the engine code, when I checked it out, this is for the engine purge valve for the Evap. So that's the code right there, P0441 P0455. I have the engine running. I have the engine running there right now, and I'm gonna show you the data on the purge valve. Engine data here. So I'm gonna scroll down to purge valve, and there's 0 purge flow. Now I'm gonna step on the gas. You can hear the engine's running. So on the data here, focus, come on. There's no engine evap purge flow at all. 0, 0, both of them stuck. And you can see the flow. Even though I'm pressing gas, and there should be purging the gas vapor in to get it reburn, but the flow, it says 0. Now let me show you for the purge valve. It's located right where the air tube is, sitting right here. This is the purge valve right here. So for the part number, I bought this one's original. That's the part number. And this is the whole purge valve right here. That's the bracket. Now to take the purge valve out, you're gonna take out the air box right here, the upper air box. You're gonna take out the mass airflow sensor right here, and then kind of pull that out right there. Give you some room. There you go. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna pry out this part out first, so to give you some room to move it out of the way so you can get your plier in to unclamp it. The connector, you're gonna press on this tab right here. Press on this tab, pull back, and you can see I remove the clamp down, and then I just pop the hose out. Now for this one, for the inside hose right here, what I do is I press on the right side here, the 2 tab on the side. It's kind of hard to show you with one hand, but I'm gonna try. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna press on the 2 tab in the back here, and then push it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna press it in and then push it so the lock can pop. Kind of hard. So basically you're trying to pop this over there. Can't do this with one hand. See how I press on the back of it and push so the lock gets to unlock from the hose, and then pull it out like that. There you go. Now I swapped the tube over to the new one right here. My old one is right here. So for the purge valve should always stay closed. It only open and purge the vapor through when it needs to. So for this old one, it could be intermittent. Purge valves always closed, never open. This one could be intermittent, and it could be stuck open all the time. I'm gonna show you how to test it. But if you can blow air through it, if you blow it from this side and it comes out to this side, that's an open purge valve and it's bad. And if you blow air from this side, comes out to this, that's a bad purge valve too, because you can blow air through it. It should be closed and you can't blow air through it. But I'm gonna show you how to test it. I have my power probe here. I'm gonna test the purge valve. I'm gonna put power in, and you're gonna hear the motor, not the motor, but the valve will open and close. It'll click like this. So right now I have one of my lead on one of the pin, and I'm gonna touch the other side of the pin, and I'm gonna put power in. All right, let's try this again. You can see I have my ground lead on one of the pin. I'm gonna touch the other side of the pin. I'm gonna put power in, and you're gonna hear it click. can see I'm putting power in, and I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear the valve jumping. There you go. That's how you test the purge valve. You can hear it jumping, open and close, open and close. So now I'm just gonna put the new purge valve back. Now I got everything backed in already. For the clip, for the one on the inside, you can see I pushed it all the way in, and then I pushed the lock back in. Make sure you hear it clicks. And then since you hear, check out the purge valve connector. Make sure the pin inside here is not damaged, broken, or corroded. Check the wires in the back here. Make sure it's not broken or ripped. This one is good. You can see it's good. So I'm just gonna put the connector back and the airbox back. Show you on the computer here, 2012 Toyota Camry. If you have any of this code right here, any of these 4 codes, it's most likely will be the Evap purge valve solenoid. That's the part I just replaced. So if you have any of this code right here, most likely it's gonna be the bad purge valve. I'll show you the code again one more time. So right now I have the key on. I'm gonna show you the code right again. Current code. There you go. That's the 2 codes right there. Incorrect purge flow. Let me check out history. Let me see all of them. I think all of them should be the same. Pending. Same thing. Now I'm just gonna clear it. There you go. That's it. Turn off the car. Turn it back on. Alright, that's it to this video, guys. Just a bad purge valve. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.